Welcome to the kitchen, get ready, let's go. It's cooking with Jack, put on a tasty show.
Hey guys, alright, it's our last seafood dish on Cooking with Jack. We feel like we saved the best for last. The dish we're doing today is like Tammy and mine. It's our favorite. So it's a seafood Mexican appetizer. Not many restaurants serve it. If they do, get it, okay? It's fresh, it's bright tasting, it's cold, which is perfect for this time of year. So let's get this started. Come on in. But first, you serve these in a dessert glass. You can go to the dollar store and get plastic ice cream sundae glasses. I don't care. But they gotta be chilled. So take your glasses before we get started, throw them in the freezer. We're using these squatty ones. And then we will get all the ingredients ready. Come on in close and let me show you. All right, start of the show. More crab meat, more shrimp. We're gonna use onions, avocados, tomatoes. I bought a bag of limes. We're gonna squeeze all the lime juice out. And fresh cilantro. Once again, start by throwing that in the freezer. And then we'll prep all this. And we'll throw it all together. Do not mix this in a metal bowl. Use a glass or ceramic. The acid from the limes reacts weird in metal, okay? So I'm using a glass bowl. That's what we're using. All right, guys, let's get this started. We're going to start with the crab meat and the shrimp. I'm going to put that in. You know, I'm going to season a little bit. Put a little pepper in. A little bit of salt. I know it's seafood. Trust me, the salt will help. And I'm going to do the cilantro. Not sure why. Not supposed to do the cilantro till later, but I feel like doing it now. Don't know why. Get it all mixed in. Get the seasoning to fall through. Okay. Take your fresh squeezed lime juice. Spread that all over. If you need, grab just a pinch of water to bring the level up a little bit. If you feel there ain't enough, grab a little water. Half a cup, maybe quarter cup. There you go. Give it a good toss. Now, if you are that special person that can't have cilantro because it tastes like soap, I don't know what that's about, but it's true. I know people who taste soap. Leave this out. Leave the cilantro out. We're gonna let this chill for a bit, okay? So when we come back, you got your tomatoes, your onions. We got some avocados I'm gonna cube up right now, okay? And then we're gonna serve this up. Go ahead and put this in the fridge for about, let's say, an hour or two. Okay, guys. So, you go ahead and serve this up. Then we're going to take our avocado. avocado. A little bit of avocado on there. Avocado on there. Guys, these are amazing. So good. Let me buy it and try a piece of shrimp here. Okay. Get a spoon. Avocado. It's cold. It's citrusy. It's really good. Really good. It all comes together. What a great appetizer.